My name is Dr. Andrea Bishop, and I'm the Academic Director for the Center for Organizational Leadership at Harding University. I wanted to take a minute to talk to those of you who are finishing up your undergraduate degrees, or those of you who are currently working and looking for a change in that work environment. The Center will be offering a Master of Arts in Organizational Leadership beginning in the fall of 2021. As part of this new program, we will also be offering 3 graduate certificate options. Each certification can be applied to the master's degree or can be a standalone certificate. One of the certifications is in the area of learning and development. One is in HR management, and the final is in executive and workplace coaching. Each certification consists of 4 courses, and each of those courses are 8-week terms. So the entire certificate can be completed in a single semester. Maybe you aren't completely sure that you're ready to commit to a master's degree, but you do know that you need something. You need to improve your resume or add some depth to your educational experience. If so, a certificate might be a good starting place for you. If you are ready for a master's degree, if you're ready for the challenge and you want to broaden the way that you think about yourself and about the world that you live in, I hope you'll consider the Master of Arts in Organizational Leadership. This degree program is interdisciplinary. We need good leaders in all walks of life. We need leaders in ministry, in education, in business, in sports management, in journalism, in engineering, in parenting. We need leaders who are trained in workplace coaching, in workplace communications, in ethics, in negotiation skills. We need leaders who know how to lead for change and innovation. This program is so exciting because its reach is truly limitless. Wherever you are now, you can be a better leader. Whatever you do now, you can be a better leader. Let us help you with that. We would love to talk to you. You can email me directly at abishop5@harding.edu for more information. Thank you.